How to create anchor menu in your Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another Wix tutorial. This is the Wix website that I have designed for my client. Okay, in this tutorial I am going to share with you how to create anchor menu like this. If I am going to click on service, then it automatically redirecting the service section without scrolling. Okay, if I'm going to click on process, then it will automatically redirecting the process section. If I'm going to click on the gallery, then it automatically redirecting the gallery section without any scrolling. Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you how to create the anchor menu. So it automatically it's already created by myself previously. So now I will delete this anchor menu, then I will show you how to create the anchor menu from scratch. Okay, so let me delete this anchor menu. So look at that, already I have deleted the anchor menu. Okay, so now from scratch I will show you how to create the anchor menu. To create the anchor menu, we have website editor. Look at that, it's the Google it's the Wix website editor section. Now we have to click the menu. So if I'm going to click the menu, and now click on manage menu. After that we have to click the add menu item and click on anchor, and then we have to select home page, and then where on the page we need to select the service. Okay, this is the service section. So click on service and click on done, and look at that, already service created. Okay, click on done, and then I will publish this on and show you how it will work. Okay, so let me preview mode. So click on preview. It will automatically redirect to the preview, and look at that, already service anchor menu created. So if I'm going to click on service, then look at that, automatically it will scrolling and redirecting the service section. So now I will create another anchor menu, the process. Okay, so copy the process and go back the editor, I mean the Wix website editor option, and click on the menu, and then click on manage menu. After that click on add menu item, click on anchor, and then click on this on, and then this is the process, but it name unlimited, but I know this is the process section. After service section, this is the process section. So click on this, and then done, click on done. After that, look at that, it's automatically created. So paste the process name and click on done, drag and drop upper the process. Okay, and then publish this one. After that, go back the main website and refresh this one. If I'm going to click on the service, then look at that, it's automatically redirecting our service section. And if I'm going to click on process, and it automatically redirecting the process section. This is the easy thing actually. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.